Austin. Austin, is that a yummy hand? Really? Who told you that? Well, I agree. I agree, baby. Ozzy, I love you. I love you. I love you, baby boy. You're my handsome little boy, aren't you? Austin. I know you're cute. You know you're cute. All right, baby, say goodbye. Okay, that's good enough. Bye.